Hobby engine log loader. The exact same as my front end loader. Same tires with the rubber coating on the outside. Everything's the same besides the front end here. It operates all the same. Has variable speeds on throttle and steering. You can slowly turn it or go real quick. I didn't mention that in the other video, but it has variable speeds. There's two videos of this, one with the front end loader and one with the log loader. This will be the one with the log loader. It runs the 2.4 Spectrum system, up and down, tilt the bucket, and this is for the opening and closing the log. Okay. You use one button on either side. It just rotates. If you hold it down, it just keeps going. Has the lights. If you want more detail on this the tractor itself, the loader or the log loader, you can go to my other video and you can see a detail. This video is going to be a little short, so I'm just going to play with it in the other room, showing you how to load up logs. So if you're more interested in the vehicle itself, go to my channel and look for the front end loader video. Well, that's my little video. I'm going to show you some little things on it. It comes with plastic logs. The front end loader came with some rocks, I believe. Plastic rocks. See, this has a little tiny rod, I think, runs in here. Back in here, actually. Runs like in here, and the motor's in here. So I would recommend not to like push a lot of pressure on these things. It does completely, just if you hold the button down, it just keeps rotating. I got this so I can load my Tamiya log trailer, and I got a Carson log trailer. So I got this, I can put pipes in here, or long pipes, PVC pipes and stuff, and I can lift it that way. I just wouldn't recommend forcing these claws real hard. I mean, the claws themselves are hard. I'm worried about the little wire that runs between here and here to these sides. I don't know how strong it is. I wouldn't recommend. If this has a ratchet, the lifting bucket has a ratchet, the steering has a ratchet. This I don't think has a ratchet. So if you bottom it out, you could break it or strip the motor out or something. That's the only little concern I have, but this thing's pretty awesome. Like I said before, if you're gonna keep the stock radio, don't go cheap and save 20 bucks. Spend the 20 bucks more and get the Spektrum ones, because if you don't, you can only get like 3 or 4 feet away from them and they start jerking. Some of the stuff won't work. It's not worth trying to save 20 bucks and you're gonna just be miserable. This is Spektrum, and it doesn't hiccup, it doesn't have any problems like that. I got a couple vehicles that are the old style, and it's just a nightmare. You have to walk right next to them just to run, even with the antenna pulled out.